Okay, I just want to give a quick rundown of how to create a whole magic ghost number cube out of the inner ghost number system alone, and then testing that you completed a correct or right, true, or whatever magic ghost number cube. So number one, you select two inner ghost numbers that are divisible by 3, 24 and 33. 24 is divisible by 8 3 times. 33 is divisible by 11 3 times. Number 2, the 3 primary numbers should be half the secondary numbers. So for a cubic octrant, and that's what this is, it's a cubic, and it's an octrant. It's one of 8 openings around the center cube that these numbers will appear at these corners, at the inner corners of the inner cube. So the primary numbers are blue and the secondary numbers are orange. The primary numbers equal 8, 1, 2, and 5 is 8, and the secondary numbers equal 16. 3, 7, and 6 is 16, which is twice that of the primary numbers, which is 8. So you got it right there, and that's 24. They all equal 24. The secondary numbers naturally complete when you do the half of the secondary numbers in primary number form. These just naturally complete the rest of it, and it gives you 24. Okay, same thing for the back bottom inner ghost number 33, purple. All 6 primary numbers give the central and outer ghost numbers. Since you have all the primary numbers in place now, then they give when you add them together, 5 and 1, 1 and 3, 2 and 7, they all give 19. So now that you know the central ghost number, you just add it 3 times and it gives you the outer ghost number, 57. If you know about these cubes, you know that that's true. The inner ghost number in addition form, added 3 times, gives you 57. But I'll get to that. That's one of the tests. Then primary numbers blue should equal half the secondary numbers orange. So down here again, the blue for 33, blue is 1, 1, 3, and 7, which is 11. And 8, 4, and 10 is 22, which is twice 11. And 11 and 22 add together gives you 33. So that's the inner ghost number at this lower back octrant, cubic octrant. Okay. Step 5, you continue filling out each cubic octrant with secondary numbers. So you did the back bottom and the front top, and then you add up the secondary numbers to the edges, to the corners, and that completes the primary and secondary numbers of the inner cube. And then you fill in all the inner ghost numbers, and you now have an inner ghost number system that creates a spatial diagonal. It's 4 spatial diagonals at 4 different angles, cut through the cube, added together on both sides gives 57. That's one first test. The 3 tests of the cube is spatial diagonals. These inner spatial diagonals gives you the outer ghost numbers from the inner ghost numbers added together. Okay, then you fill out the outer primary numbers, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. It's going through, added together, going through commutative property. Then you fill out the outer secondary numbers, which is the addition of the primary numbers at these corners. Primary numbers at these corners to get the secondary numbers. And then you don't worry about you don't worry about the other side of this cubic octrant, its partner, that's redundant. You just only need one cubic octrant added together to the secondary and the primary numbers to get 57, which is the third test, or the second test. The outer cubic octrant, a single cubic octrant, adds up to give the outer ghost number. And the third and last test is what should have been first, is the central ghost number added 3 times always, in addition form. 19 always gives the outer ghost number 57. And so that's how you fill out an entire magic ghost number cube from the inner ghost numbers alone, and that's how you test them. Thanks a lot. Bye.